it's fine. I'm just gonna demonstrate. Okay, thick hair. She has extra thick hair. Okay, do you have a hairnet?
Yes.
Okay, so I twist it. I put it in this donut bun. Okay, I start pinning it as I go, just so it doesn't fall out. Just one more. That's good. So it's sticking out, but the hairnet will fix that. Okay, and then hairnet. Thank you.
That's right.
Okay, put the hairnet over top in the direction that the hair is going.
That's where it starts all falling apart on me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Take the pins out. Sorry, I'm gonna give you these back. That's it. Okay, then I start really flattening it against her head. Okay, so that's pretty flat for all the thick hair. And then I start pinning it with this technique, grabbing and then pushing through with the flat pin. Grabbing, pushing through, all around. So that's the step when you take out the pins and then you start working with the bun. That is really important because that doesn't give you a doorknob shape. It gives you a flat bun against your head. We'll do this one. There you go. And make sure when you're close to finishing the bun, make sure you look at it sideways because then you can see if it's not sticking out in certain areas.
Did you get that, Shelley?
Yeah.
There you go. That's how you flatten thick hair bun. Thick hair, not thick hair. There you go.